everybody. Welcome to another quick tip for nonprofits in Maryland. My name is Becky Witt and I'm a staff attorney at Community Law Center in Baltimore. And this quick tip is about whether membership dues are tax deductible to the members. So Community Law Center's mission is to provide legal services to community and nonprofit organizations throughout Maryland to promote stronger nonprofits and more vibrant neighborhoods. We only work with nonprofits, and we do so throughout the state. These are some examples of some cases that we do for our clients, and you can see there's a lot of different kinds of things that we can work on. If you're a nonprofit in Maryland and you have a legal issue and you need legal assistance, then we would be happy to work with you. So please visit our website, which you can see at the end of this quick tip. So just as a disclaimer, this video is just for informational purposes and is not legal advice. If you need legal advice, please contact us and we can open a case with you. So the question is, are membership dues tax deductible? We know that charitable contributions to 501c3 organizations are, generally speaking, tax deductible to the donor, meaning that they can deduct it on their own taxes. But what about membership dues? So in that case, someone is giving a fee to an organization and then receiving usually some kind of benefit. Quite a few nonprofit organizations sell memberships to raise money for the organization. Community associations often do. Those are the kinds of clients that we work with most frequently at Community Law Center. There are lots of other kinds of organizations that also sell memberships. So can your members deduct this fee when they file their annual income taxes? So this is called a quid pro quo contribution. That's what the IRS calls it. There is a safe harbor provision where if your dues are equal to or less than $75 per year, your members can deduct the full amount of those dues as they would a charitable contribution, regardless of whether or not they receive benefits from being a member. There's one little exception where if the benefit that you're giving to your members is relating to the right to purchase tickets for college athletics, this does not apply. So if that is your situation, you may want to get more information on that, that exclusion. But this certainly covers the vast majority of community association dues, which tend to be much less than $75 per year. So again, even if your members do receive some kind of benefit, like let's say they get a tote bag or a t-shirt or something, if your dues are equal to or less than $75 per year per person, they can deduct that full $75 or whatever the dues are on their income taxes as a charitable donation. So if your dues are more than $75 per year, your members can still deduct the amount of dues that exceeds the value of any financial benefit that they receive from their membership. So for example, if a museum sells a membership for $100 per year that comes with $50 worth of benefits, like let's say they give you 2 free tickets to the annual fundraising dinner plus a tote bag, and all of that adds up to about $50, the museum, the nonprofit organization, should provide a receipt to the member that clearly states that the member can deduct $50 as a charitable contribution because they've given $100 for their dues, they've gotten $50 worth of benefit, and then $50 remaining would be the charitable contribution that they can deduct on their taxes. So how does a nonprofit know how to estimate the value of the benefits that they give to their members? And the answer to that is to use a good faith estimate of the fair market value. Any reasonable method of trying to figure that out is fine as long as it's applied in good faith. And so you estimate the fair market value of goods and services. If they're not commercially available, if you can't purchase the t-shirt or whatever on the market, just use the fair market value of a similar kind of good or service. So let's say you have like a special t-shirt that you can only get by being a member, that's fine, but you can estimate its fair market value by what you would charge for a similar kind of product, a similar t-shirt or something like that. Same goes for a service that is not commercially available, like lessons or something. You can use what other people would offer as a fair market value to estimate that value. So that's it. Thank you for checking out our quick tip. If you want to learn more, please visit communitylaw.org. You can watch more quick tips. You can get information on our workshops and resources. You can sign up to talk to an attorney for free legal advice, and you can apply for legal services to work with an attorney on a legal issue. Thanks so much.